On today's episode of History in a Minute, what does Pentecost mean? Hey everybody, it's Mr. Philip Campbell with Homeschool Connections History in a Minute. I am your bearded, nerdy history guru. Every year, Christians around the world celebrate the festival of Pentecost, which commemorates the giving of the Holy Spirit upon the apostles in the upper room, as narrated in the book of Acts. But what does the word Pentecost mean? Pentecost in Greek actually means 50th. And what does 50th refer to? Well, it depends on who you are, because Pentecost is a holiday celebrated both by many Christians but also Jews. If you are Jewish, Pentecost refers to the 50th day after the Passover. This commemorates the giving of the law to Moses on Mount Sinai. And in Hebrew, it's known as Shavuot, which it means weeks. And in the Old Testament, it's the Feast of Weeks, because it's the completion of 7 cycles of 7 weeks, 49 days. And then on the 50th day, they have a festival, the festival of Shavuot, or weeks, or Pentecost. But if you're Christian, of course, Pentecost is 50 days since Easter Sunday, which is the day that the Holy Spirit came down upon the apostles in the upper room, conferring on them the power to administer the sacraments and the church and all that good stuff. So Pentecost means 50th, and now you know. If you like this sort of little interesting historical minutia, I encourage you to click the subscribe button, come back, visit this channel for more videos, and always remember that history is awesome.